Thank you. Okay, so cosine rule, example 17. We're given a triangle. Diagram's provided for us, which is handy. We need to find the value of the pronumeral in the following triangle correct to 2 decimal places. So the pronumeral, it's a bit hard to see there because it looks like centimetres, but it's actually c metres. So we know one side's 4 metres, this side's 5 metres. We have an angle there at 61 degrees. And does it meet the criteria for the cosine rule? That is, do we have 2 sides? Yes. Do we have the angle sandwiched in between? Yes. So we're definitely in cosine rule territory. The cosine rule, as you'll either memorise or put on your cheat sheet, is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. Now, you'll know that from your work with the sine rule and trig ratios and whatever, cos A obviously refers to the cosine of an angle. Now, where's cos A here? Well, that's angle A up there. So what that means is that the standard form of the cosine rule isn't going to work for us. What we need is because there's 3 versions depending on where the included angle is in the triangle. Which version do we use? Well, we use the version that has cos A in it. Okay, so did I just contradict myself? So here we need the version that's not cos A, but cos C. Which version is that? That's the one that starts with c squared. Okay, so not a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos A. We want c squared equals the other 2, so that's a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos C. Just let me check that I've got that right. Okay. Now it's a matter of substituting in the values that we know and using algebra to solve for C. So C squared, C is what we're trying to find out, so we can't do anything with C squared yet. We know A is 4. We know B is 5. So therefore it's 2 times 4 times 5 there. And we know C, which is 61. We know angle at C is 61, so we can write cos 61. Okay, let's do some of the arithmetic there. So, that's 4 squared plus 5 squared. So 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, 2 times 4 is 8, 5 times 8 is 40, so that's minus 40 cos 61. Okay, so we're getting closer. So that's 16 plus 25 is 30, 41 minus 40 cos 61, still c squared. We're at the point where we can't do anything more without evaluating cos 61, so let's do that. We'll get, and the rest of it, so we get c squared equals 41 minus 40 cos 61. Let's see what we get. 41 minus 40 times 61 cos. I get 21.6076. 21.6076. Can anyone confirm?
Yes.
Excellent, thank you. Right, so we know that c squared is equal to that. So what's c equal? Well, we need to take the square root of both sides. So c will be equal to the square root of 21.6076. So let's do that. Low battery, let's see if that works. 21.6076 square root battery doesn't work in this light. Can someone tell me what that answer is? I get 4.648. Textbook tells me 4.6483. To 2 decimal places, that's 4.65. Okay, thank you. Can you stop it, Nate?